In this video, I will show you how to uninstall Microsoft Edge. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe. Now, let's jump straight into the video. Since you're uninstalling your Microsoft Edge, you have to make sure first that you have installed a different browser. If you don't have a different browser after you uninstall your Microsoft Edge, you won't be able to browse the internet on your PC. So from your Microsoft Edge, go ahead and search for another browsing program. You can download Google Chrome or a Mozilla Firefox. This is essential when you're uninstalling your Microsoft Edge. After that, unlike any other program, if you go to the settings and look for the Microsoft Edge, on the apps and features, you can see here that it can be uninstalled. That's because Microsoft Edge is the web browser recommended by Microsoft and is the default web browser for Windows. It is also because Windows supports applications that rely on the web platform. That's why their default web browser is an essential component of their operating system and can't be uninstalled. However, there are some third-party programs that you can use to uninstall Microsoft Edge. To uninstall Microsoft Edge on your PC, you need to download the Revo uninstaller. Once you're secured that you have downloaded a different browser, you can now go ahead and download Revo uninstaller. First, search up Revo uninstaller on your internet. Go to its website, then go for its free version and download the installer. After the file is done downloading, you have to install it. Just follow the instructions of the installer and complete the download. Once the program is installed, launch it. You will see all the installed program listed here. Now scroll down and look for Microsoft Edge. Select it and then click on the uninstall button right here. Here we will see the confirmation dialog on which you will see the options to create a restore point before uninstall. It is selected by default, which you should leave selected, because the restore point will help you to restore the PC if anything goes wrong. Now, click on Continue. Select Advanced here, then click on Scan. It will scan for the Edge components that are going to be left behind. Here you will see the several leftover registry items. If you select My Computer, it will select all the leftover items that you can delete. So click on Delete and it will delete all the keys. Next, it will check for leftover files and folders. You can select all right here and delete them. It will going to take some time as there are several items. Once the process gets completed, it will ask for a restart to delete the remaining files and folder. Click OK and close everything. Then restart your PC. Next is to remove leftover files. After restarting the PC, go back to your desktop and open the File Explorer right here. Then open your system drive. That is the C drive right here. Then open Program Files x86. Now open the Microsoft folder. Here are the few folders left. Select all and then delete. Now we will remove the shortcut from the taskbar. Right-click on the Edge icon and select Unpin from the taskbar. Next is to disable the Edge in System Apps. To make sure that the Edge doesn't come back, we will disable it in the System Apps. So what we're gonna do is open the File Explorer, then go to the System drive right here. Open the Windows folder, scroll down and open the System Apps. Now locate the Microsoft Edge folder, then go ahead and delete it. Then below here, we have the Microsoft Edge Dev Tool client. Now we have to delete it as well. After that, let's disable the Edge in the Task Scheduler. Click on the Start menu. Now search for the Task Scheduler. Go ahead and open it. Once you're there, you're going to make sure that there are no entries for Microsoft Edge, so it won't update automatically. So we will click on the Task Scheduler library. Then here, we will check if there are any entries of Microsoft Edge. If there are any, we will select them and disable it. Similarly, we will check the Microsoft section here on the left-hand side. Finally, the last step is to disable Edge installations from updates. What you have to do here is to open the registry editor by pressing Windows key plus R button. Once it appears, type regedit and hit enter. Click yes to this permission. Then here, you will expand the HKey local machine, the software, then Microsoft. Here, you will check if there are any key mentioned as Edge Update. If there isn't any, go back to the Microsoft and right-click on it. Select New, then Key, to create a new key, naming it as Edge Update. On the right-hand side, right-click on anywhere, then create a new dword 32-bit value. Now name it as Do Not Update to Edge with Chromium. Then hit Enter. Double-click on it and set its value to 1. Then click OK. The key we just added stops the Windows from installing Edge during an update, so now Edge won't come back when you install a Windows 11 update. That's it for this video. That is how you uninstall Microsoft Edge. I hope that was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and thanks for watching!